Good morning. So I wanted to show you some of our new pets. This one here is not a new pet. This is our dog Sandy. She's part Pyrenees and Catahoula. So she definitely take off to the Catahoula and looks. She's wonderful. We've had her for a long time. But we got 6 corgis, 3 of which are good friends of ours. They were all their dogs, and the 3 of them we're keeping, and 3 of them we're babysitting while they're doing missions in Ecuador for a few months. So we are super excited. This is Aquila, and she has become a house dog since she got here. She is just so sweet. We love having these dogs. They're just so much fun. They're not little dog like. They are big dog personality, not like small yippy dogs. We are really loving them. I've wanted corgis for over a decade, but the timing just didn't seem right. It didn't seem like time. Also, I get a little nervous looking for animals that I want. I don't want animals that people are just getting rid of. I don't want to be suckered into animals that aren't good and not know it. So when our friends offered us babysitting their 3 and giving us the 3, we were super excited. And by we, I mean mostly me, but some of the children were really excited too. Yeah, they're just so great. We really love having corgis. Like I said, they act like they're big dogs and in all the best ways. And, they're not Chihuahuas or Dachshunds. They're just good. They're like sweet dogs, and we love them. The only downfall I found is sometimes they'll get into little tiffs, and a part of that, I think, is they just miss their owners. But they are so good, and we are so loving them, and we're excited to introduce you to them. Have a great day, and thank you so much for joining us. Bye.